Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading, and welcome to the Daily Analysis Show. This is where I give you all of my trade ideas every single day. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, you're going to know why, when, and how I plan to take the trades. All right, so stay till the end. All right, so let's take a look. Let's look at the trades for today. And generally, guys, we are seeing Canadian dollar weakness, right? We are seeing that across all CAD pairs pretty much, right? Canadian dollar weakness. And this is the catalyst for our trades today. Well, a couple of our trades. So bearing that in mind, guys, the first trade idea is US dollar, Canadian dollar, right? And, you know, price action, this is scruffy price action. However, we just follow trend and structure. So the structure of the market is this. Okay, so we are now in an uptrend, right? We now have higher highs, right? And arguably, we're just kind of ranging between here and here. So we are in an uptrend with room to move into the top of this range. Okay, so my target is this 3723. And also, guys, we got a very nice bullish candle that closed above the moving average 20, right? So we like this trade to buy back up to here. And remember, guys, daily is my direction. Then we drop to the lower time frames to find entries, all right? So daily's telling me I can buy this up to there for all the reasons I explained. And if we drop down to the H4, I'm just looking for a retrace, right? You can see in here that price has reacted many times at this level, this gray zone, right? So all I want to see is a retrace into this gray zone. Perhaps the moving average 20 catches up, okay? We get a nice bullish reaction, and then we can take buys back up to here. All right, so that's my first Canadian dollar trade idea. The second one is Canadian dollar Swiss franc, and I'm actually in this trade, right? If we start with the day chart, as we always do, like I say, get your direction. And yesterday we wanted a break of this level here, right? And we got a break of this level. Let me show you the weekly chart as well, because this is a thing of beauty, right? You can see price came up to here and price was just ranging, and then bang, downtrend, retrace what was once support becomes resistance. Look at those candles. Those are selling candles. Look at the wicks. That is total rejection of price at that level. And we've even got the moving average 20 as dynamic resistance as well. Okay, and the idea is to potentially come down to this 6,500 big psychological level. If we go to the day chart now, yeah, like I say, we were waiting for that break of structure. So at this point, we're in an uptrend, right? Higher highs, higher lows, stops making higher highs. In fact, we get a lower high. And then price has now broken these lows with this candle here. Okay? And we've closed below the moving average 20. All right? So the idea is, like I say, to sell this back down to here. If we drop to the H4 now as well, you can see that this important level broke. Yeah, this H4 candle here was the actual candle that broke because the body closed below. And really, guys, that's what we're looking for, is a retrace back to that level. So we want to see price come back to this level. Yeah, perhaps the moving average 20 catches up. We get a bearish reaction, and then we can start selling, right? Like I say, I'm already in this trade. Okay, I actually got, you know, as soon as we got a break yesterday, and here I entered on the H1. But I just want to point out, guys, I'm very conscious of this level here, this grey zone here. So I'm in this trade. I'll probably take some profit here and then leave some profit to run. All right, so Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. That is my second CAD idea. And also, guys, let me just mention, if you're enjoying the analysis, please subscribe to the channel, smash that notification button and smash the like button. And also, guys, if you would like to join a community of traders, right, where you can speak to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, then please come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that and you would like to receive my trade signals every day, get access to numerous tutorials to teach you how to trade, and you would like direct access to me to ask me any questions, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And right now, guys, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access and discounts to all of these things. Check it all out. It's all in the video description. Also, guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. We'll look at the live charts, get all your questions ready for me. And also, guys, any trades that I take today, please leave your comments. Say, Tom, I like this trade, or I don't like this trade because of this. Leave your comments. We would love to hear from you. Right, the last trade idea for today is euro pound. I'm also looking at a couple of other things, so I'll share those with you as well. But euro pound is the third trade idea. And if we start with, well, if we look at the day chart, yeah, this was also a trade idea from yesterday, right? Again, I am in this trade. We are in a downtrend. Okay, so trend tick, right? We have bearish, bearish, bearish. Even yesterday's candle, itchy nose, is bearish because of that rejection wick. So tick, we got candles. We've bounced off an area of resistance, tick, right? Lots of things to like about this trade, okay? So we're still looking to sell this pair. And if you zoom out, guys, you can see this is a weekly level that I'm still interested in, this 8,350. If we drop down to the H4 now, because this was a H4 trade, and I'm going to just make this grey zone a little bit larger, right? Just to include these last couple of wicks as well, right? But yesterday, price retraced into that grey zone. We got a bearish reaction and I entered, okay? What we want to see today is potentially, you know, a retrace back into this level, okay? And then we get a bearish reaction. We can start selling from there, okay? I would take profit back at these lows, leave some profit to run. But also, guys, if you look at the H1, a nice H1 level is developing, right? So even if you didn't get in on yesterday's trade, right? If we see a break of this level, that is a change in H1 structure. Okay, so as you can see, price keeps using this level as support. If we get a nice big bearish candle that breaks through this level, again, we could start selling here as well. All right. So euro pound is my third trade idea. And I'm also looking at a couple more things. So I won't go into detail, but euro New Zealand dollar, right? I mean, the problem with these trades is that they're so overbought, right? Look at the moving average 20. But I still think if we can get a retrace to go higher, euro New Zealand dollar is a good buy opportunity. And it's the same story with pound Aussie dollar, right? I still think we have all this room to move into. But again, you know, look at the moving average 20. We are quite overbought here. So I just want to see a retrace on these pairs, perhaps to an important level like that, and then we can start buying. All right. But as they stand, a little bit overbought. All right, guys, so those are all of my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 16th of July. Before I get started, guys, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. And don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Right, the important news for today then, guys. At 10 o'clock, coming out of Germany and the EU, we've got this zoo economic sentiment and conditions, right? So this is like one big 3-star rating for any euro pair. Must be aware of that. If we carry on down, after that at 1:30 London GMT, we've got core retail sales and retail sales, right? 3-star ratings, these can move any US dollar pairs. Okay, so must be aware of that. And at the same time, coming out of Canada, we've got CPI figures. So again, inflation is super important. So these are big figures for the Canadian dollar, guys. All right, so must be aware of that. And then after that, guys, if you're still awake at 11:45, we've got CPI coming out of New Zealand. Okay, so again, super important inflation figures. These can all move the markets. All right, guys. So, yeah, there you go. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you later on for the live stream. Have a great trading day.